Let's make a cursive lettering practice sheet. And the cursive lettering I do is what I learned in school. So I'm going to use this notebook pad, and then each line will be 2 lines high. And then I'll put a space in between, and then 2 lines high, space, 2 lines, space, etc. And for cursive, we do want to have a nice slant to it, so I'll draw a few guides. And you turn it, sit close to the desk, turn it a little bit, get your whole arm moving, feet flat on the ground, and start sketching your letters. We're just going to draw the ABCs like we had on the chalkboard when we were kids. Uppercase and lowercase next to each other. I guess there's room for a D here. We're going to fast forward through the rest.